Okay, I think I may have found a great hair brand on Amazon that has thick bundles, because if y'all know these bundles have not been given thick lately. Y'all know usually you need about 4 to 6 bundles nowadays to get that super thick look. So yes, sister girl, you might want to go check this hair brand out. Okay, so yet again I decided to do a middle part quick weave using this hair, and I believe I ate down. Yeah, I definitely ate this look up, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with doing quick weaves on myself. Literally ever since I've taught myself how to do a quick weave, I have been eating these quick weaves up, y'all. Like, I'm so obsessed. And girl, let this be your sign to go teach yourself how to do your own hair when need to be. Okay, as a woman, it's so important to learn how to do your hair just in case. Okay, ever since I've been teaching myself how to do these quick weaves, they get easier and easier for me. And baby, listen, when I look good, I feel good. It's literally so easy. The more I do them, the faster I get at that, because my very first quick weave, y'all, this is my third install, by the way. Okay, my very first quick weave install, I was slow. It took me 40 days and 40 nights. Okay, it was so difficult, but the more you do something, the better you get at it. And that's all it takes is practice and try and error, and then boom, you know what you're doing. So for this style, I decided to go with a middle part because I love me a middle part install. So pretty much you guys see how I'm laying the product down. Also, I did not braid my hair. So for my girlies who keep feeling like you don't know how to braid and you're using that as an excuse, girl, I did not braid my hair, and my hair still came out looking flawless. You don't have to necessarily braid your hair down. You can use this technique that I did. All I did was split my hair up in 2 sections in the back, braided each section into 2 pigtails, secured it with a rubber band, and connected the 2 sections. I only left the middle section of my hair out for my leave out, and also just a tad bit for my edges. Applied my stocking cap, and then I went in with the adhesive, applied it everywhere that I would be laying my tracks. Went in with the adhesive, and make sure you dry it all the way down. You want to make sure that stuff is completely 100% dry. And then you're going to go in and just cut the cap, all the pieces in the sections that you would not be using. Now, this is the super glue that I'm using, so I am doing something completely different that I've never done before. I'm laying the tracks from shortest to longest, y'all. So the lengths that I had was 18, 20, and 22. So I'm starting with the 18-inch first, and then I'm going to go in with the 20, and then the 22 last. I honestly don't know what encouraged me to do this, but it just literally randomly came to my mind. I went on TikTok to get a little bit more information, watch some other girls do it, and if I'm not mistaken, they mentioned that this gives the hair more volume and more of a layered look. So I said, bet, let's do it. So that's exactly what you guys see me doing, and I'm going all around my head. So in the back of my head, I only went from like neck to neck, and then ear to ear, and then once I got a little up past my ear, that's when I started connecting the pieces all around from like the top all the way onto the other side. I also love to go in and dry those tracks just to make sure that it's dry and secure, and I'm just repeating this process until I get to the tippy top. Also want to mention, I made sure to use every piece of these bundles, y'all. I did not have anything left, so I was stacking these bundles so freaking close to one another. I probably end up stacking some of them on top of one another, ain't no telling, because it's like I was able to see what I was doing in the back of my head, but not all the way. So I'm pretty sure some of the bundles was kind of stacked on top of each other just a little bit. But girl, I was not playing. Okay, I made sure to use all the bundles because the hair is so freaking thick. So I wanted that super thick install look. So I made it work. Okay, I made it work. I made it fit. Now, I filmed this video about 3 weeks ago because I wanted to give myself some time to really test out the hair, so I can also give y'all a review of this hair overall. So like I mentioned, if you are looking for some very quality nice bundles that are thick, this is the brand for you. The hair is so soft, it's very thick, and this hair did come bone straight, but y'all, it's easy to curls. It holds curls really well. Now, by the time I got to week 3, I did experience some tangle and some shedding, and by the time I got to like week 4, I definitely experienced some tangle and shedding. But honestly, I really believe it was because I stopped caring and I stopped brushing my hair, because I was in a process of taking it out anyway. I only want to keep this install in for about 3 weeks anyway, so I really didn't care. So what I will say is, if you are looking for something that's really quick just to get you by for a few weeks, that has great quality and is very thick, I recommend this hair. But if you are looking for something that you want to maybe reuse the bundles, take it out, save it for another install, that I don't know. I honestly would not recommend this hair for longevity purposes. And trust me, I know a little something when it comes to hair, because y'all know I've worked with so many different hair brands throughout the years. So I know what's really good quality when it comes to like what you can keep wearing and wearing over and over time. And I know when some hair is like one and done, you know what I'm saying? And this hair, I feel like it's like a one and done type of hair brand, okay? Like, it was beautiful the first 3 weeks. Like, it gave what it needed to give. But like I said, by the time week 4 came, I felt like, oh yeah, this hair, I'm probably not gonna be able to reuse this hair, okay? But like I said, if you're looking for something for short-term purposes, this is perfect, girl. I say get it, okay? It's very thick. Like I said, it holds nice curls. Love the quality, super soft, and it's gonna do you right for about 3 to 4 weeks, and that's it. But like I mentioned, now don't go getting this hair expecting to use it a year later and 2 years later, okay? And I know it's gonna be some people probably thinking like, you cannot reuse bundles after you have worn it in a quick weave stage. Yes, you can. I've done it. Nothing was wrong with my bundles. The hair is still good. So yes, you can reuse the bundles. Even if you want to reuse it for like a ponytail hairstyle or something like that, you can reuse the bundles if you have worn it in a quick weave stage. But like I said, this hair is, I don't recommend it for longevity purposes. So yeah, there's that. Now, like I said, the hair holds great curls. Right here, I am curling the hair. I also want to mention, y'all know I am big on my curls and my curls lasting and being very juicy and have nice volume to it. So yes, I did go in and chop this hair, okay? I added some more layers, and even after this video, I end up adding more layers because the curls wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So I did go in and cut even more layers after, I want to say about day 4 of me wearing the hair. That's when I decided to go in and add some more layers, because I just like my curls to be very like layered. I love that heavy curl layered look. So I did go in and chop it up some more. I also wanted to wear it in its natural bone straight phase, but I'm just a curls girl. Like, I'm a curls girl, and the bone straight look was really cute, but I just know that it wasn't going to really give what I wanted to give, especially because like my leave out, you can still see the difference from the hair versus my hair, and it just wasn't as seamless as I would have wanted it to be. So I was like, yeah, we're not going to do the bone straight. Let's just add some curls. And the curls gave it what it needed to give. Like, it gave the look that I was going for, okay? So overall, if I had to rate this hair, I would give it a 7.5 out of a 10. Maybe I'll bump it up to an 8, because my favorite thing about this hair was the thickness. Like, that was what really did it for me, was how thick this hair was. So like I said, I really recommend this hair, especially if you are looking for something very quick for like short-term usage. And then if you are looking for something longevity wise, I wouldn't recommend it, but overall, still some great hair, okay? So yeah, girlfriends, let me know down below in the comment section, what do we think of the hair? Do we like the hairstyle? I think it eats. It looks so good. I'll link this hair down below in my description box. You girlies go shop and check it out. Also link down below my other tutorials to my quick weave tutorials. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Hope you girlies enjoy, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.